Before I get started, please remember to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel by clicking right here, right there, somewhere in there. Every family has pizza night, and I love what we do with ours because it just changes it up. It adds this Mediterranean sort of feel to it. It's so good. So the twist on this is that we're gonna use naan. It's easy, it's right out of a package. Did you say naan pizza?
Naan pizza.
That's what we're making, naan pizzas. And I know that's kind of everybody does this from time to time, but I like this version because the toppings are a little bit different. They're more Mediterranean inspired. I mean, guys, whatever. We're gonna toast some spices. We're gonna do a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of ground coriander. People don't toast spices enough anymore, you know, especially with pizza. That's what makes this so unique. So to toast the spices, it's so simple. Just take your little nonstick and you just like, done. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, a couple tablespoons, get it bloomy and glossy and silky. I'm just gonna keep stirring because you're all staring at me. And then we're gonna add ground turkey. We're gonna add a pinch of salt really quickly. Then I bring in my best friend, the microplane. We're gonna just grate some garlic right on in. It's really starting to wake up, I can tell you what. We're gonna also add fresh oregano. That's already so ridiculous. I cannot wait. We're gonna zest a lemon. Turkey dries out, we all know that. Have you ever thought about adding lemon juice to your turkey? It will so surprise you. It takes it to 11. I'm ready to build some pizzas. Are you? Hey kiddos, gremlins, Will, Matt, you want pizza?
Yeah.
What we do with the kids, we kind of customize it for them. You guys want to make some naan pizzas? Because they're not exactly gonna go for the pizza sauce that I make in a minute. They're gonna want a traditional pizza sauce because they're kids. What's your favorite thing about pizza?
Because it tastes good.
You're right there, sister. You want some turkey? Let's do turkey. Because you know what? The turkey's your protein. And what does protein do?
I want it on the side.
You want it on the side? Okay, well how about, you know what, Nat? We'll have yours on the side. I prepared for that mentally and emotionally, so I'm not devastated. Do you want to grab the cheese, Nat? This is gonna take about 30 years. Well, that looks really good. Now we've made a huge mess. Yay! So for the adults, I wanted to go a little bit crazy with the sauce. It's not like any pizza sauce you've ever had because we're gonna use tahini. So tahini, it comes in a jar. A lot of people know it from its use in hummus. But I'm gonna pair it with harissa, lemon juice, and a little pinch of salt. Simple as that. Let's bake them. So the cool thing about these pizzas is that you can customize your toppings. Throw some sliced cucumbers on top, KALAMATA olives straight from a jar, parsley from your garden, mint from your garden, crumbled feta. Make it yours. Yeah! Aaron does not like cheese. The world knows this. It's weird. I'm still dealing with it. So he will leave the feta off of his. I'll have feta on mine. Look what I have! Pizza time, pizza time. So this pizza is such a fun twist on pizza because it's just so unique. It's so different. The sauce is completely different. The toppings are completely different. Using naan is a flavor enhancer. It just takes it up a notch. It's really a naan wins. You can totally edit that out. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. For more pizza recipes, remember to subscribe to Food Network's YouTube channel.